TrustLogix Domain Policies feature enables the data owners to create a data access policies for a domain across the data sources. To create a domain policy, click on Domain Policies menu option from the top left side hamburger menu. Once the Domain Policies screen launched, click on Create Policy button. Enter name and description of the policy to indicate the details of the policy. Select the domain name from the Data Domain drop-down. Select the data products from the drop-down defined under a selected domain. Select the privilege set from the Privileges drop-down. Privilege drop-down contains the options Read, Write and Delete, which enables to grant the permission based on operation needed to be performed by the persona. Click on Next. Please select the principal value from Principal option drop-down. Either you can choose the existing principal or type a new principal name to create a new one. The newly entered principal will be automatically created in all data sources where the selected domain exists. Click on Save. Policy will generate the grants for all selected data product objects across all the data sources where the selected domain exists. Here in this policy, the selected data product from a selected domain exists across two data sources. And grants will be deployed on data product objects across data sources.